Store clementines. You will want clementines to stay good for a while, so you will want to store clementines just right. Oh, those fresh, juicy clementines. When you peel them, juice will splash onto your face. Can you taste the scrumptious fruit, just thinking about it? What are clementines? They are like oranges, but better and smaller, and they do not have many seeds in them. If you have never eaten this fruit, what a pleasure your taste buds are missing. This fruit does not have a hard peel on it, so it is easier to eat. To eat oranges, on the other hand, we may need to call for the jaws of life to get the peeling started. This article has information about these fruits and ways to store them. When you are choosing your clementines at the store, make sure that the skin on each one is as close to perfect, in looks, as possible. Make sure the skin is not wrinkled, or does not have any marks on it. The marks could be a sign of spoiling. You want to be able to store clementines longer, so the fresher they are, the better. Not only are these fruits scrumptious, but they are a wonderful addition to our daily nutrition. They are very high in vitamin C, which helps to fight off lots of bacteria or viruses. It has been said that if you intake vitamin C before you go out in public, when you come home and use the restroom, urinate, all the germs that you may have come in contact with will be flushed away, so to speak. Clementines antioxidants are an added benefit to this fruit, and there are about 70 calories in each one. If you want to spice up other foods, you can put pieces of clementines in things like tossed salads, or make some desserts that call for other fruits, and use these fruits instead. To store the clementines, you can follow the following steps. If you store this fruit in a place where the temperature is above 68 degrees, they will only stay good a few days. A cool, dry, dark room is a good place to store clementines. You can store this fruit in your fridge. Do not store them in the bags they come in, or any other container that holds moisture. A fridge has moisture already. The softer fruit should be eaten first. When you store clementines in a fridge, or a cool, dry, dark room, it will depend on how much humidity there is in the room for how long they last. The fruit will not stay good as long with higher humidity levels. Some people store their fruit in a box, out in a shed or barn, and pack hay around the fruit. Hay is used by a lot of the old-timers, still, to keep many products stored longer. Another way to store clementines is freezing them. You take the peelings off and freeze them as they are, or you can break the fruit apart and freeze it that way. Seal-A bags work the best and will last longer, even up to a year.